Hello, I'm Nicolette. Today we're going to draw an owl. I'm going to start, I think I might start with the eyebrows. I don't know if they're actual eyebrows, but I'm going to call them eyebrows because they look like eyebrows. So, there we go. In, out like that, and then down. I've done it again. I would start with that side and then you can see the other side and match it a little bit. I always do it the wrong way around. I don't know why. I should learn from my mistakes, but I never do. Right, I might try the eyes next. So we'll start with this one and then I can still see that one when I'm drawing that one. So I can try and get them the right size. So big eyes. There we go. And now I can try to do the circles. Circles aren't easy, I don't think, to get a nice neat circle. Not too bad. Then we need the inside of the eye. So I want to do that big circle, make him look a bit starey. And then I've done it wrong, haven't I? I've done it again. I can't see that side now. I'm sure you will learn from my mistakes. Okay, so I'm going to leave a dot. White. And I'm going to colour that bit in. Same on the other eye. There we go. Okay, it's come down a bit. There we go. That's better. There are the eyes. Right, I've got my little sausage dog in here today. She's gone to... Oh no, she's peeping. I shouldn't have said anything. She's cheeky on these videos sometimes. And I'm going to draw the beak. Just like that. Slightly rounded. There we go. That's that. Now we need, I think, some... I'm going to do lines a little bit like that, but I want them a bit rounded rather than sharp. So it's got soft feathers, so like that. To about there. And then the other side, I've done it again. There we go. How many times do I do it? I think I've done it about 5 times on this video already. I'm going to do loops. I'll show you rather than that's it, just like that underneath. And here I'm going to come in a little bit and then out, just so it makes his head look a different, rather than just round it just looks a bit different. Now the wings, I'm going to try and make this simple. I'm just going to go all the way down to there, and then this side, and just go all the way down. And then we're going to do the same on this. I've done it right way round. There we go. See, I don't think sometimes as I'm doing things. I need to start slowing down. There we go. And then I'm going to want a little bib on here. So you can colour this a different colour. So I'm going to have that. There's different coloured feathers, just to make it more interesting. I'm going to have another one of those at the bottom. It's like drawing W's, or the sea a little bit when you draw the waves on the sea, cartoon sea. Then I'm going to do slightly wavy, but not too much. Very bottom. Okay, now feet. Big talons. I want them cartoony because it makes them look cute. I want sharp nails and it's a cute one. On this side, done it again. Do what I do not do. Do the opposite of what I do. Right, so his face doesn't look quite right. Actually, we need as well to show that these are feathers. We can have lines like that. Same on that side. There we go. And right, so really, really very soft shapes now. And then the same again on that side. Let's come all the way in to around his beak, and I think that's done. Oh, he's quite cute. Quite like him. Cute owl. So you could colour these different colours, whatever colour. You could do a rainbowy coloured one, or you could do like a fawn and brown, whatever you fancy. Pink feet, yeah, maybe, pretty cool. Or yellow. So that is up to you. And sorry, I should have turned my phone on silent, but I would love to see your pictures. If you send me your pictures, I will post them on my Facebook page. And thank you very much for watching. Oops, you will find all the details below, so you can contact me, email or on my Facebook page. And thank you for watching, and see you next time.